In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete records in Zoho CRM. If you've been wanting to clean up your CRM database, or simply remove outdated information, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can manage your records effectively. First, we'll need to access Zoho CRM, so go ahead and log in with your account credentials. Once inside, you'll want to navigate directly to the module containing the records you wish to delete. Modules in Zoho CRM represent different types of data you handle, such as leads or contacts. Take a moment to locate the appropriate module for the record you're intending to delete. For instance, perhaps you're working within the Leads module. Click that to open the full list of records. As you view the list, identify the specific record you want to remove. To do this, you may need to use the search bar at the top of the module page for efficient navigation. Once you've found the correct record, click on it to view its detailed information. This will bring up all the details associated with that particular record, which is crucial for ensuring you're managing the right data. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a menu icon that looks like 3 stacked dots, commonly referred to as the More Actions menu. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu appears, offering various actions you can perform on the selected record. From this list, choose the Delete option. A dialog box will prompt you to confirm your action to prevent any accidental deletions. Go ahead and confirm your choice if you're certain you're ready to proceed. It's important to mention that when you delete a record in Zoho CRM, it isn't permanently erased immediately. Instead, it moves to what's called the recycle bin. This is quite a useful feature as it provides a safety net for users, allowing you to recover accidentally deleted records if needed without having to go through the process of contacting support or restoring backups. This move to the recycle bin is often referred to as a soft delete, as opposed to a hard delete, which permanently removes the data. So, rest assured that even after pressing delete, you still have a last line of defense before it's gone for good. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a record in Zoho CRM. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and knowing how to do this efficiently can help keep your CRM data organized and streamlined. Always remember to review your records before deletion to prevent any unintended loss of data. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or any other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.